Hello guys, this week I came back with one more interesting topic in Power Automate, that is check if date is today using Power Automate, which means in a SharePoint list we have to check the date is equals to the today's date. With this logic, we will implement the actions in the Power Automate flow. Let me open my SharePoint list as well as the Power Automate to explain this. I have already logged in with my Office 365 credentials and I have opened my SharePoint site as well as the Power Automate. You can see this is my SharePoint list where it has the columns like task ID, task name, assigned to due date, task status, and is completed. This is the due date column of the task where now I wanted to check if the due date is equals to today, then it should have to send an email to the assigned to person. So this is our logic and let's implement it in a Power Automate flow now. I have already built the Power Automate flow, which is a scheduled cloud flow. To explain this now, I will redesign this flow by showing all the steps. So let me open the Power Automate in the browser. Type make.powerautomate.com. You can see here it will redirect to the Power Automate homepage. In the Power Automate homepage, let's create a scheduled cloud flow. So that click on the create button and select the scheduled cloud flow and provide the flow name here. I'm giving check today date. To repeat the flow to the everyday, I have selected the options of day here in the repeat every section and click on create. The recurrence trigger has been added now. Now I wanted to get the items from the SharePoint list, that is the task list. So to get the items, let's add get items action of the SharePoint. In the parameter, select the site address and the list name as well here from the drop down. For selecting task tracker, then it will retrieve the items from the SharePoint list. It will get all the items. If you are not giving any filter query or any top count, it will retrieve all the items that are present in the SharePoint list. Now to filter the items that have the due date is equals to the today, I will take filter array action. Take filter array action. In the filter array, in the parameters from take the value of body or get value of get items. In the filter query, in the filter query, we have to provide the expression here that should match the due date is equals to the today. So let's format the date here. Click on expression and format date time. Select from the dynamic content due date, comma, within single quotes, month, day, year, year. Y. Click on add, then it will add the expression to one side and the operator is equals to, we have to choose today value from the UTC now. Format date type, UTC now, comma, within single quotes, month, day, year. Click on add. This will retrieve the, after filter array action, take apply to each loop and select an output from the previous step of filter array. Take the body and inside the apply to each loop, take send an email action and in the to click on switch to advanced mode and insert the expression to send it to the only to send the mail to only the assigned to person. So type item with the question mark and from the dynamic content assigned to email. In the assigned to email, remove this part, click on add. Then it will add to the two parameter. In the flow also, as you can see, the for each loop has been added by taking the value of body or value from the get items, but we need it from the filter array. So I will move this action to here and I will delete this step. Likewise, you can format the subject and body part. You can see here uh, I have formatted the subject and body part like this. You can format the body part like how you wish. I have formatted it in this way. Now let me save the flow. It will take a while to save the flow. So now the flow has been saved. I wanted to show you something from my side which is useful for you. Let me open this page. This is a Microsoft Power Platform training course. This is a free training course provided by our experts. You can, if you are interested to learn the Power Platform, you can come here and check out our page. In this page, you will get the Power Apps training course, Power Automate, and Power BI. If you wanted to learn SharePoint as well, I can also provide that link in the video description. So you can go through here. It will have many videos, and daily we will update the videos. Thank you for listening, and let's come back to our video. Now the flow has been saved. Let me go back to our SharePoint list. So this is the SharePoint list. I think the items do not have the today dates. Today date is 24/4/2025. Let me add a new item here with the today date. As you can see, TS007. This is the item that I was adding. You can see here, this is the today date. And now it's not started. Let me exit the grid view. Now we have the one item with today date. Let's go back to our previous flow. I have shown you the flow, how to take the steps, and this is the main flow that we have. And now I will test the flow. Click manually and click on test. Click run flow. Done. You can see the flow ran successfully, and it might have sent the email to the assigned to person. And in this case, the assigned to person is Lydia Holloway. I have given this Lydia Holloway because I have logged in with the Lydia Holloway. And let me open my Outlook. If you see, Lydia Holloway has been received this mail, and this is the mail it got on 24th 4th 2025. As you can see now, this is how to check if date is equals to today in Power Automate. And let me explain from here again. And now we will move to the second example, that is check if the date is blank. Again, I will take the same due date column. We have to check if the due date is blank, if the due date is having the blank value here. Let me edit it and edit in it. I have edited the due date. Now we were having the two due date, two day date columns, and I have already the flow. This is a small flow so that you can able to get to understand this one easily. I have taken an automated cloud flow with the trigger when an item is created or modified. Same, take the parameter site address and the list name. Here in the condition part, we need to check if the due date is equals to the empty or not. So I have given this expression empty due date. As you can see, empty due date is equals to the true. If you are confused about this, enter this expression again. Click on this expression and it will open this create expression box. Type empty, then brackets. From the dynamic content, take the due date. Now you can see the expression has been ready, and click on add, then it will add. Same for the true as well. Click on here and in the click effects to take the expression, type true, then it will automatically show the options. Click on true and click on add, then it will add the true. This is how to take the condition part. And inside the true condition, take a send an email action. In the send an email action, in the parameters, take to send to email and subject task missing a due date, and for the assign to person we need to display this one. Now we will save the flow and test the flow. To test the flow, let me modify the item which has Lydia Holloway, because with the Lydia Holloway I have already logged in. Click on editing grid view and remove the due date for this TS002 item. I have removed it as you can see, and click on grid view. Click on exiting grid view. Now let's go back to our Power Automate flow. It is showing invalid connection in the send an email action. You might also have faced this issue. To fix this issue, we have to change the connection. This might have been caused because if you have changed your password for your account, so it will show. So we have to fix this one. So change the connection here. To change the connection, click on another connection, or else you can also add a new connection that will log in with your. Here I am taking Lydia Holloway. It will take some time to sign in. Now save the flow once again and let's test it once with the previous. Test it and click on test. Automatically with the recently used trigger I was testing it with. Click on test. Now you can see the flow ran successfully within a minute, and we also have got the mail here. You can see the action required mail we got. The task missing a due date. Send the mail to the Lydia Holloway account. This is how to check. This is how to check the blank values in the date column. Check on our tutorial where we have included more examples on this. The video is so lengthy, so I will stop it now. If you wanted to check more about this examples, you can check on our tutorial page. I will provide this in the YouTube description. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like this video, please comment in the comment section. I will able to get to know about your ideas or suggestions so that I can improve myself. Thank you for watching.